Profit Enigma Review. What's up, guys? Prakash here from prakashseekers.com. Welcome to my Profit Enigma Review. I'm here inside the members area of Profit Enigma, and I will be giving you a quick run through and a demo of exactly how this Profit Enigma works. So, in a nutshell, Profit Enigma has got 12 apps in this particular software, cloud-based software, and you can just create your own online business in just a few clicks. Believe me, I am very excited presenting this product to you. You can really do two things here. You can create your own products and sell, and also you can also freelance on Fiverr for any of these 12 services that are wonderfully created for you. And I will go through the whole thing as I know in a short while from now. And see, actually any online business requires two things. One is a product and the second is the traffic. So creating a product has always been anybody's dream, any marketer's dream, and also running traffic to it and making money. These are the two main things in any online business, and this Profit Enigma gives you both at the same place. And also you can create an other alternative. You can become a freelancer on Fiverr and sell any of these services here for you, which pays you a lot of money. So that is in brief about Profit Enigma. Profit Enigma is very newbie friendly. It doesn't require a great experience or any prior qualifications to really become good at this using this particular software. Any newbie can do it. If this sounds like something you're interested in, just click the link in the description below. Yeah, this will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. You just have to click on this orange button here, which will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this, where you can pick up this particular product. Now this link will be live as of 11 a.m. Eastern on the 19th of November, and you can pick up the front end of this product, which costs around 17 USD. I have put in a lot of bonuses for you along with Profit Enigma, so I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses here. So definitely yes, check out on my bonuses, and these bonuses are available to you only if you pick up this product via my link here down below. So the bonuses I put in for you is the bonus number 1, how to build a WordPress site from scratch. So in this bonus you will get a complete tutorial about WordPress using plugins, themes, everything you need to know about WordPress. So you will be getting this particular, it's a course on how to build a WordPress website. And the bonus number 2 is you will be getting access to this course. This is a very good course explaining about how to market your products online and make some very good money. This is a fabulous course. The lost code, you will be getting access to this course. And bonus number 3 is you will be getting access to crazy traffic explosion. So in this bonus you will be getting access to a method through which you can get very beautiful traffic, good traffic to your page. And bonus number 4 is how to create a digital product from scratch. So they already explained here how to Profit Enigma is about how to create a product, but here you're going to have a complete course of how to create a digital product from scratch. And apart, the bonus number 5 is you will be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it away to you. You will be getting access to 15 products along with resale rights. So these are the products what the vendor has given me to give it to you, and you will be getting access to all these products. So all these bonuses, vendor bonuses, along with my bonus are 100% free of charge, instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up the front end of this product, which is just going to cost you around $17. To get these bonuses, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. Click on any of these orange buttons, and you will come into my sales page where you can pick up this particular product. Once you have done that, now the question is, how do I get my bonuses? Where do I get my bonuses? After you go to the sales page and click the buy now button, what will happen is this will take you to a payment gateway of Warrior Plus. And if you after you make the payment, you will come to a page which looks something like this. On the right hand top corner, you got your username or your app ID. Just press on this button and you're going to come to this particular drop down menu with the thing of purchase history. Just click on purchase history. It will take you to a receipt page which looks something like this. Just click on the green button, you're going to get access to a product. Just below that is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. So just click on this button and you're going to get all the bonuses here absolutely free of charge, waiting to be picked up. So these are how you get the bonuses, and all the vendor bonuses will be available to you on the membership area the moment you pick up this particular product. So let us talk about the OTOs and the upsells. OTO number 1, I told you the front end of Profit Enigma is going to cost you around $17. Just there's a downsell at $15, so you can just move away from the top button, and there's going to be a coupon which says $2 off, so you can get it $15. You're going to get a Profit Enigma Pro with the unlimited version, which costs you around $37, the downsell at $27. So upsell number 2 is Profit Enigma Enterprise Edition, $47. Upsell number 3 Done For You Edition. Upsell number 4 is Reseller Edition. Upsell number 5 is IMX Bundle. So these are the different products. All these are available on the sales page also. So what you can do is you can just browse on your own time. You can see this whole page. So let us go through the sales page now. These are the creators: Radu, Haino, Mike Mackey, and Loan Casagrande. So these are the 3 product creators. They are known to create very good products, and this is no less. So Profit Enigma is one of the most. I'm really excited to share this product with you. Very wonderful product. And if you are new to internet marketing, this is the thing what you're looking for without a wink of an eye, I tell you this. So, and one more thing is, I just wanted to read this sales page for you. The headlines here: create unlimited unique products and services at a low one-time price. So brand new cloud app creates done for you products and services from scratch with the 24/7 free traffic and $1,000 in commission built in. So your very own business with zero work on your part. So there's also a video here, a demo video. You can just come on your own time and look at. Create 100% unique products with a push of a button. Generate unique articles, PDF info, products or ebooks with just one click. Let the software create video courses and training for you from scratch. Sell SEO services and content writing on places like Fiverr. Have your own ready-made products to sell or give away. Autopilot free traffic in any niche using proprietary secret algorithm. So upsell done for you services including site creation or graphic design. No technical skills or experience, 100% newbie friendly. No monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Double your money back guarantee, 24/7 support from marketing gurus, create pro voiceover like human voices with 41 languages. So what else you want, guys? Everything is covered here. If you want to start an internet marketing business. So this is a thing for you guys now. Without wasting any more time, I just wanted to go into the members area and explain the members area. And I told you here, you have got 12 apps, 12 apps in one particular cloud-based software. So you can create voiceovers and product and podcasts. See, I cannot demonstrate everything here, so I'll just go into a thing called ebook creator, article creator. So you can create an ebook over here. Just press ebook creator. Just your ebook title, say it can be something like keto diet. Select front, choose file. You can choose your own ebook cover here. So your chapter 1, chapter 2. So the URL to ebook, just you have to press on this thing and just copy some URL over here, and the moment you just you can generate an ebook on this particular see, I have not chosen an ebook, but I press generate ebook here, and here see you have to enter all the fields, and thereby you can create this particular you can create this ebook over here. So here the already completed ebook is there. You can just download the PDF and the book is ready for you. So this is how you create an ebook. So this is an ebook creator, and let us get back to the dashboard over here. So how you can create an article? You can create an article and you can you can just create an article very easily. And what you can do is article generator. Just get into article generator or auto search here. Choose the following category. You enter a keyword here. Let me enter as keto diet and search category. So here you are on the spin content here, 10 results. See here you got these results already here. The best way to lose weight. It tells about a lot about keto. So you can take this and you can spin this to make it 100% unique as you want. So look at the time on which it has given me around 10 articles from this particular keto diet search category. So that's how you create an article, guys, here. So what you can do, you got a SEO report creator, backlink creator here. So these things you can sell all these services on Fiverr, creating backlinks. You can also create sites. You can also create a graphic tool. You can also design graphic designs, and there's a keyword research tool here basically for doing your keyword research. And here there's a site creator here, and a fantastic one. You can just create a site over here, press new project. You're going to get a lot of templates. You can choose any template over here. You can choose the name as keto and press create. You're going to get the whole thing about how to see, this is you're getting a page builder. And see, now you can create your whole site over here, about, service, contact, proper, everything is there for you. You can just if you want, you can just you just remove this and type your own text or whatever you want. So you can just play with the whole thing. Is basically a page builder software, and you can you can change the whole layout. Here is a page, and you can host the site. So that is in short about this particular software called Profit Enigma. It is Wonderful product, and definitely yes, it is a bang for your buck. There's no doubt about it. For 17 US, you're getting the front end of this free, and a lot of services on this will be, you'll be getting an upgrade to all these other services if you can, if you can go for these upgrades. So this is in short about Prophet Enigma. So if you like the review, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and also share this to your friends. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you very much. Until my next review, here, goodbye.